Good day, student. My name is Teacher Rex, and our subject for today is about science. So, what is science? So, when we say science, science is systematized body of knowledge based on facts, experiments, and observations. So, that is the definition of science. I repeat, what is science? Repeat after me. Science is systematized body of knowledge based on facts, experiments, and observation. So in the next picture, let's think about science. So when we say science, take a look. Science is the study of what? Study the world around us. So when we say science, once again, science is study the world around us. So we have here countryside. Repeat after me, countryside. Next, we have here field. Field. And another one is river. River. Next, island. Island. Next, forest. Forest. Next, village. Village. We have waterfall. Waterfall. And the last is mountain. Mountain. So, in the following picture, we have here the scientific method. So in this experiment, we were going to use the scientific process. So much of the science we know today was discovered using the scientific method. So the scientific method is a method scientists use to get accurate results from their experiment. So in the next picture, we have the 5 scientific method steps. I repeat, 5 scientific method steps. The first is make an observation. Make an observation. And the second is make a hypothesis. Make a hypothesis. Number 3, conduct your experiment. Conduct your experiment. Number 4, draw conclusions. Draw conclusions. And number 5, report your results. Report your results. So those are the 5 scientific method steps. I repeat, number 1, make an observation. Number 2, make hypothesis. Number 3, conduct your experiment. Number 4, draw conclusions. And number 5, report your results. So in the following pictures, we have here the scientific method steps. So we will going to study the scientific method steps, and we will going to start in number 1. So number 1, make an observation. So when we say make an observation. In this experiment, we are going to use the scientific process, and let's begin here in number 1. Make an observation. So in the following pictures, we chose to do the sunflower seeds experiment. I repeat, we chose to do the sunflower seeds experiment. So, where we only grow seeds and see how long it takes to grow. And that is seeds. Spell seeds. S E E T S. Seeds. I repeat, seeds. So in the next picture, that is soil. Soil. Repeat after me. Soil. So that is soil. So that soil where the plants need to grow. So you have to plant the seeds in the soil to grow. So spell soil. It begins with letter S O I L. Soil. I repeat, soil. In the following pictures, see how the plant growing. Right? See how the plant growing. Spell plant. It begins with letter P, L, A, N, T. Plant. Plant. Good. Now, in this picture, see what happened to the plant. It grows already, and that is sunflower. Okay? Spell sunflower. It begins with letter S. Next, U. Next letter, N. Next, F, L, O, W, E, R. Okay, that is sunflower. Okay, in the following picture, let's observe. So what kind of photo is this? We have here the cotton. That is cotton. Cotton. And the other one is soil. Soil. So in this observation, we're going to plant seed into cotton and soil. Okay? So in this experiment, we want to know what seed grow faster. I repeat, in this experiment, we are going to know what seed grow faster. So we're going to plant the seed into cotton and into soil, into tubs. Okay, so look at the next picture. The next step is number 2. Make a hypothesis. So let us think. Okay? Think. Make a hypothesis. That is number 2. So when we say hypothesis, what is hypothesis? Okay? How does a hypothesis begins? Oh, look at this photo. What is hypothesis? How does a hypothesis begin? What do you do with it? How do you make one? Okay, so let us think. So let us see in the following picture. What letter is this? H. H. Repeat after me. H. And the next letter is, what is it? Y. Y. The next one is P. P. And the other one is O. O. The next, what letter is this? T. T. Next letter is H. H. Another letter is, what letter is this? E. E. And another one is S. S. Next is I. I. And the other one is S. So what is this? Hypothesis. What word is this? Hypothesis. Read after me. Hypothesis. Okay. So that is hypothesis. In the next picture, look, that is our experiment. So, in letter A, cup A, what is it? Bean growing in cotton. Okay? So, let's begin our experiment. And let us say the hypothesis. Cup A, bean growing in cotton. And in cup B, bean growing in soil. I repeat, in cup A, that is bean growing in cotton. In cup A, that is bean growing in soil. Okay, let's proceed to the other picture. Okay, in number 3, that is the third step of our scientific process. Conduct your experiment. Okay, so our hypothesis for our seed plant experiment was this. Okay, if we plant one of our seed in a cotton and the other seeds normally in soil, okay, then the seed that we planted in the soil would grow faster because it absorbs more water and faster than cotton. Okay, look, I predict the first picture, the water and sun. Water and sun. And in the second picture is water but no sun. And the third picture is sun but no water. I repeat, on the first picture, repeat after me. Water and sun. Number 2, water but no sun. And number 3, sun but no water. Okay? Let's proceed to the other picture. How do plants grow faster? I repeat, how do plants grow faster? How? The daytime? You know what is daytime? Or nighttime? Okay, so when we say nighttime, there is a moon. In daytime, there is a sun. Okay? Understand? Okay, I repeat. Daytime, we have sun. In nighttime, we have moon. Daytime and nighttime. So in the next picture, we have here the daytime. And when we say daytime, most probably we have sun. Sunlight. Repeat after me. Sunlight. So when we say sunlight, plants need sunlight, right? Plants need light from the sun to help them make food in order to grow. So most of us living things, all of the living things need sunlight. And the next picture, what is it? Repeat after me. Water. 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 When we say water, plants make up food from water and carbon dioxide in the air. I repeat, plants make food from water and carbon dioxide in the air. This is called photosynthesis. Water is also needed to transport the food and other nutrients around the plant. So that is water. So the plant need water, and all living things need water. And the next picture is soil. So when we say soil, plants get water, minerals, and nutrients from the soil around them to help them grow. And that is soil. I repeat, soil. Plants get water, minerals, and nutrients from the soil around them to help them grow. So that is soil. And that is number 3. I conduct our experiment. So in this experiment, we planted the sunflower seed into a cup with a cotton and cup B with a soil. So in 6 days past, we're gonna see now the process. Which seed grew faster? What is it? Look. What plant grow faster? Is it cup A or cup B? Okay. Let's go back to number 4. That is sunlight, water, and soil. That is number 4. Draw conclusions. I learned that. The student learned that. Draw conclusions. Okay? What is the conclusions? Yeah, hey, we have here the sunflower growing. It grows already, and the sunflower needs light energy. And the sunflower needs carbon dioxide. And the sunflower needs water. And the sunflower gives us oxygen. Oxygen. Okay? So plants need light energy. Plants need carbon dioxide. And plants need water. And plants give us oxygen. Okay? So that is the conclusion. And lastly, we have here number 5. Number 5, report your result. And the result is the process of photosynthesis. So when we say photosynthesis, we have here the plants need sunlight. I repeat, sunlight. And the plants need, another one is carbon dioxide and water. And plants give us oxygen and sugars. Okay, so that is the process of photosynthesis. Repeat after me. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay, so did you understand? So that's it. Thank you for watching. See ya.